I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Teachable Machine. First, navigate to the Teachable Machine website in your browser. This intuitive web-based tool from Google allows anyone to create custom machine learning models without writing a single line of code. It is designed to make machine learning accessible, enabling you to train models for image, audio, or pose recognition using your own data in just a few simple steps. Next, let's gather your data. Begin by selecting your project type, image, audio, or pose. Then create at least 2 distinct classes for your examples. For instance, if you are training an image model, you might have apples and oranges. Aim to collect 20 to 30 diverse examples for each class, either by uploading files or recording directly through your device. The more varied your data, the better your model will perform. Now it is time to train your model. After collecting your data, simply click the Train Model button. The training process is usually quite fast, often completing in just a few minutes, depending on your data size. Once trained, you can immediately test your model using your webcam or microphone to see how well it recognizes new inputs. If the results are not what you expect, consider adding more diverse examples to your classes and retraining. Finally, let's export and use your new model. Once you are satisfied with its performance, click the Export Model button. You can choose from several formats, such as TensorFlow.js for web applications, TensorFlow Lite for mobile devices, or a Keras model for Python projects. This allows you to integrate your custom machine learning into websites, apps, or even physical devices, bringing your creative ideas to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.